Hello, tutor and colleagues. My name is Cano Lopez. I am agronomy student. I am belong to the Turbo SEAT and I am going to present task 4 to you, my life projects. Introduction, my life project. In this presentation, I will share my life projects, detail my hopes and expectations for the future in the work, family, and professional spheres. Labor sphere. I have set a goal of achieving and professional promotion in my current jobs within the next 2 years. The achieving this, I will focus on developing my technical and soft skills, actively participate in relevant projects, and assuming new responsibilities. I trust that my dedication, effort, and common time will allow me to avoid the recognition I desire and achieving my career goals. Home formulation. In the family spheres, I hope to formalize my home with my partners over the next 5 years. We aspire the build a space full of love, respect, understand, where we can share unforgettable moments and raise a solid family. We are convinced time, math, teamwork, constant dialogues, and mutual support we will achieve this dream and for a harmonious and happy home. University graduation. In this professional field, I had prospered the graduation from my university degree in agronomy with the next 4 years. This will represent a fundamental pillar in my professional development since he will allow me to access the knowledge and skill necessary to perform successfully in the field of agronomy. I am commenting on my academic training and I am confident that with dedication and perseverance I will achieve this goal and open the doors to promising professional future. Bibliography reference. This was presentation and thank you very much.